Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, IntelliJ and an active Copilot subscription. First, open IntelliJ and go to Plugins. Search for GitHub Copilot and click Install. Once installed, restart the IDE so plugin hooks load. After restart, sign in with your GitHub account when prompted. This links Copilot to your subscription. Make sure your network allows connections to API, GitHub, com. If you use a corporate proxy, configure it now under Settings, right arrow HTTP proxy, so the sign-in flow proceeds without interruption. Once signed in, open Settings and select GitHub Copilot. Enable inline suggestions and decide if you want automatic completions or manual triggers. Next, configure key bindings. Choose a convenient accept key and keys to cycle suggestions. This makes iteration fast while you code. Then set the context window size and enable specific language support for Java, Kotlin, Python, or others. You should also review file and project scopes so Copilot focuses on relevant files. This improves suggestion relevance and reduces noisy completions. Now test Copilot in a small implementation. Start a function comment, type a signature, and accept a multi-line completion to validate context awareness. Make edits and use the accept key to apply suggestions. Remember, you can press cycle to view alternatives. If suggestions fail or sign-in drops, first re-authenticate from the plugin menu. Next, verify proxy or firewall settings and restart IntelliJ. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the plugin. This clears corrupted state while preserving project files and settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.